Hello, good morning to all of you. Today we will see ground load voltage to current converter. It means V to I converter. First, this is a diagram for the voltage to current converter for the grounded load. Grounded load means load resistance. This is the load resistance. Load resistance is connected at the ground. Hence, this is called as grounded load voltage to current converter. We will find out IL upon Vs in terms of load R2, in terms of resistance we have to find out. First we will know that using voltage divider rule. This is the voltage divider rule. What is the voltage divider rule? Means in that resistance, this is the terminal, this is the resistance R1 voltage across this Vs, and voltage across another terminal is V0. Then we have to find out the voltage at node A, voltage at node A. Then this formula is we have to calculate as Va is equal to Vs, this is the Vs into R1 plus V0 into R1 upon R1 plus R2. This is the formula for this circuit for the voltage at node A. Now we have to see that Va equal to Vs into R1 plus V0 into R1 upon R1 plus R1. Then take R1 is the common from the numerator. From the numerator, take R1 is the common. R1 is the common we have taken it. Then Vs plus V0, close the bracket, upon 2R1. R1 plus R1 is the 2R1. R1 is the cancel out, numerator and denominator is the common, then cancel out. Then Va equal to Vs plus V0 upon 2. This is equation number 1. Similarly, for the we have to find out apply KCL at node B. Apply KCL at node B. We have to find out apply KCL at node B. This is the node B. Node B KCL is sum of incoming current is equal to sum of outgoing current. This is the current I1 is the incoming. This is the current I2 is the incoming, and IL is the outgoing current. Means sum of incoming current is equal to the sum of outgoing current. If no any outgoing current, then sum of incoming current will be 0. But here is the outgoing current is IL, then sum of outgoing current is equal to IL. Now current is the, what is the current? We have to find out across the resistance of current R1. We have to find out the current across the resistance R1. Means what is the current across R1? This is the, this is the resistance R2. We have to current find out the resistance R2 and current I1. One terminal is voltage is the ground, and here is the one terminal is voltage VB. Then current in this terminal is, current direction is the I1 from low potential to high potential. The current I1 is equal to 0 ground minus VB upon resistance is the R2. This is the current in R1. Similarly, current is I2 equal to V0 minus VB upon R2 equal to IL. 0 minus VB is minus VB upon R2 plus V0 minus VB upon R2 is equal to IL. R2 take LCM, R2 minus VB plus V0 minus VB equal to IL. Then cross multiplication. In the numerator, here is the minus VB is equal to minus 2 VB and plus V0. This is the V0 minus 2 VB equal to IL into R2. Here is the cross multiplication. This inside IL inside denominator is 1. Then this is the V0 minus 2 VB equal to IL into R2. This after more solving this equation, we have to take this into left side. This is take into, we have to take this into the left side. Then V0 minus IL into R2. After taking left side, it should be change the sign plus to minus. So V naught minus IL into R2, and this is taking right side. Then what will be the minus 2 will be after right side the equal symbol is, this is a change the symbol, minus it should be plus. Then V naught minus IL R2 is equal to 2 VB. Then we have to divide by 2. V naught minus IL R2 upon 2 equal to VB. Then VB equal to V naught minus IL R2 upon 2. We have to calculate VB, which is equal to V naught minus IL R2 upon 2. Due to virtual short circuit, VA is equal to VB. Then VA equal to, here is the value VA equal to, here is the value of VA equal to VS plus V naught by 2. VA equal to VS plus V naught by 2. And this is the value of VB, V naught minus IL R2 upon 2. After the cross multiplication, 2 into Vs plus V naught equal to 2 into V naught minus IL R2. 2 से 2 cancel out, then Vs plus V naught equal to V naught minus IL R2. Then V naught, you take left side of the equal to symbol, then plus V naught change to minus V naught equal to minus IL R2. Then V naught plus V naught minus V naught is cancel out, then Vs equal to minus IL R2. This here is the R2 is the multiplication. After taking left side of equal to symbol, should be divided. Then Bs upon R2 equal to minus IL. Change the symbol, IL equal to minus Bs upon R2. Then IL upon Vs equal to, here we have to, you take, if any difficulty you take cross multiplication. IL upon Vs equal to minus R2. This is the transconductance gain. This is known as transconductance gain. If any doubt, you can mention in your comment on line, which line you have to doubt. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you will like. Please share and subscribe this video for further upcoming such lectures.